Good morning, this is Coach Team at meron po akong bagong ipapakilalang opportunity na pwede nyo pong gawin this 2024. Ito po ang Seacrest. So welcome to our Seacrest business presentation where success meets purpose. And this presentation is for educational purposes only, not a financial advice, investment advice, or any sort of advice. Please do your own independent research prior to engaging with this business. Kung kayo po ay naghahanap ng bagong negosyo na mura, ito po, panoorin nyo at sigurado magugustuhan nyo po ito. Okay? Umpisahan ko na po ang ating quick presentation. So let me introduce to you Seacrest. You can visit the website www.seacrest-inc.com. It's located in Ville Uno Commercial Center, MC Briones Street, Mandaue City, second floor, Seacrest, Cebu City. A new model of hope and opportunity. Seacrest is centered around the seaweed products. Seaweed is the heart of our venture. From health supplements to skincare, our product range is diverse and environmentally friendly. We're committed to sustainability and helping coastal communities thrive. So kumpleto na po ang ating legalities dyan. Kaya fully operational na po tayo and the company just started last May of 2024. Alright, so our mission and vision, wellness revolution from the heart of the ocean. Our vision is to empower a healthier world and a thriving ocean through the purity and potency of seaweeds. Let's transform lives one seaweed at a time. Okay. So our products, all seaweed infused baseline of products for health, beauty, and wellness. And FDA approved po with 30-day product return refund if you're not satisfied with your order. Balik nyo lang po na nakaseal. And bakit nga ba seaweed? The Philippines is one of the world's largest producers of seaweed, ladies and gentlemen, producing 1.63 million metric tons in 2023. Production is primarily done in Cebu and a few other provinces in the south. So seaweed is a nutritious and versatile food that can support thyroid function, gut health, and heart health. Ito po, umpisa natin sa seaweed chips na napakamura, 149 pesos lang po. Contains 93 plus bioavailable nutrients. Okay. Then we have the soap, Sea Skin Soap, whitening soap. It's only 179 pesos. SRP po ito ha. And you can check the ingredients. Just simply Google the ingredients, ladies and gentlemen. Then lastly, we have the Sea Skin Lotion. Okay, with UV whitening SPF 60. So 349 lang po ito. Napakamura po. All right? And this is SRP. Mas mura pa pag member ka na. So as of this moment, tatlo pa lang po ang products natin. Pero may mga paparating pa. We have the Sea Skin Supreme, Sea Skin Radiance Coffee, and the Sea Health Coffee. Abangan po natin ito. Okay, so paano ba mag-umpisa dito kay Seacrest? Okay, your journey to success starts here. All you need to do is just to get the invite link of the person who shared Seacrest to you. Pag gusto niyo na po mag-umpisa, kailangan ako mabilisan po dito ang positioning, alright? So ano next ang gagawin? Ang next mong gagawin ay i-fill out lang po ang free no obligation registration form and that's valid for 24 hours. Naka-reserve na po yung slot ninyo, okay, for 24 hours. Now if you're ready at meron ka ng pang startup, ang standard package po natin dito ay 2,498 pesos lang po. Ayan o. Okay, may lifetime product discounts ka na, no overhead expenses, access to company logistics, door-to-door delivery, personal Seacrest account, online store, free trainings, weekly commission, at may kasama po pong 2 pieces Sea Skin Lotion yan at 2 pieces Sea Skin Soap. So may kasamang product na i-deliver sa iyo for free. Okay, may free shipping po yan. Okay, so pag ready ka na, just pay using GCash or bank transfer for the one-time membership fee. Okay? Then, after that, ito na, ang monthly subscription lang po ang babayarin ninyo. So, all you need to do is just to pay 498 pesos per month. So, you can enjoy all of the benefits ni Seacrest. At ang good news dyan, may kasama pong products, yung 498 pesos mo. And pipili ka kung anong gusto mo. It's either yung chips, yung soap, or yung lotion. Mamimili po kayo every month po niyan. Okay? Then, you can start making money online anytime, anywhere. Alright. So, ano bang benefits pag ikaw po ay subscriber na ni Seacrest? Well, ang ganda po ng benefits natin dito. Una-una sa lahat dyan, you can save money. Kasi you can enjoy up to 35% off savings sa Seacrest products and up to 76% off naman versus branded products. Ang maganda, no product maintenance po tayo dito. Okay? Then convenience. Ito po yung pinaka the best ang hinahanap ng mga tao talaga, convenience. Kasi you can get local delivery and it can be delivered via door to door, yung mga orders ninyo. So you can order your products online and be delivered via drop shipping. No selling po dito, ladies and gentlemen. Hindi po kayo required magbenta. No quota din po. And online tools will be provided to get you started. Okay? Then you can earn money na po. You can participate in the compensation plan and earn weekly and monthly based on your performance. You can earn anytime, anywhere. At ang good news, long term. So the mission of the company is to help people earn money and have a passive residual income for life as long as you're subscribed. So this can be your early retirement income. All right, so now how to earn here in Seacrest? Well, we have 6 simple yet powerful and exciting compensation plan experience. Unang-una sa lahat dyan yung retail commission. The next is the product rebates. Then the fast start commission, subscription bonus, matching commission, and the company sales share. So iisa-isayin po natin yan. At mabilis lang po ito. Umpisa natin sa retail commission. This is your unlimited daily commission, but it's an optional feature kung gusto nyo po talagang magbenta. Okay, so ayan, makikita nyo po yung SRP ng tatlong products natin as of this moment. At kapag kayo po ay member or subscriber na po ni Seacrest, ito na lang po yung members price niya. So sa soap, sa chips po, you get 20 pesos profit. So 129 na lang siya. Then sa Sea-Skin soap, 60 pesos profit kasi 119 pesos na lang siya. And sa lotion po, 100 pesos profit kasi 249 na lang po siya. But you know what? The good news is kung kayo po ay magbabulk order sa chips, mas makakamura po kayo. Okay? Yan, para lang po yan sa chips. Ngayon, ang maganda pa po dito kay Seacrest is kung ikukumpara mo ang price ni Seacrest versus brands like imported brands, yung mga branded po talaga na, for example, chips, ayan. Tapos soap din po, naku, branded soap, online, makikita nyo po dyan. And lotion din po na napakamahal. Tingnan nyo, makikita nyo po yung price difference nila and this is, in this way, you can save up to 76% off versus branded products in the market. Diba? Magandang ano na po yan. So, ang laki ng savings mo dito kay Seacrest. Okay. So, ngayon, if you will be referring Seacrest to your friends, family, co-workers, or kung kanino man, meron po tayong tinatawag na Fast Start Commission. So, sa mga kung gusto mo mag-enjoy ang mga kakilala mo sa discounts ni Seacrest, ito po ang pwede nyong gawin. Kasi you can get 30% commission from every successful activation based on the package you availed. So for example, affiliate ka na po ni Seacrest at yung friend mo nag-avail ng package which is 2,498 pesos. Automatic, meron ka kagad 750 pesos dyan. Okay? So ang good news dito, unlimited po ito. No pairing, no flush out. You get paid the following week and if you get more, you can get promoted. Okay? Kasi meron po tayong promotion dito. Ito po yung promotion natin. You can earn higher based on your rank. So yan po yung silbi ng promotion. Okay, paano ba ma-promote dito? Pag nag-start po kayo dito kay Seacrest, ang rank nyo po ay director. So ngayon, kung gusto nyo po ma-promote, unang-una dyan ay yung senior director. Napakadali po maging senior director. Kailangan mo lang ng dalawang direct affiliates. At potentially, pwede ka na kumita ng 3 digits per month yan. So, tamang pan-Jollibee. Okay, so senior director, 2 directs lang po yan. Ngayon, ang next po dyan ay ang executive director. Ito po ay 10 direct. Okay, 10 direct affiliates or kung hindi mo kaya yung 10 direct affiliates, tatlo lang po. 3 separate senior director. So, ibig sabihin yung tatlong direct mo, i-promote mo sila to senior director at dapat meron kang 20 active members sa ilalim mo. Okay, so you can earn potentially 3 to 4 digits per month na po, niyan. Okay, pwede na. Then the next is the national director, that's 30 direct or 3 separate executive directors with 100 active members. So again, kung hindi mo kaya yung 30, tatlo lang po. Pero yung tatlo, tulungan mo maging executive directors naman. Okay? Then the next one is the corporate director. 100 direct affiliates po yan or 3 separate national directors with 500 active members. So again, tatlo lang po. Okay? Pero yung tatlo, tutulungan mo maging national director yan. The next one is the presidential director. So 3 separate corporate directors na po ito with 2,500 active members. So potentially you can earn up to 5 to 6 digits per month na po niyan. Okay? And last but not the least ay ang global director. 50,000 active members and yes, pwede ka kumita ng 6 digits dito. Okay? So dito no demotion as long as you're subscribed and ang sikreto lang po ay duplication of 3. Yan lang po talaga. So tatlo lang po kahit hindi ka na mag-recruit, basta kahit dalawa lang o tatlo o apat, pwede na po yan. Okay? Pwede ka na pong kumita monthly niyan. Okay? So moving forward, ito po, kung kayo po ay may promotion or kung kayo po ay may rank dito kay Seacrest, you can enjoy the monthly product rebates by level. Ibig sabihin, when any of your enrolled members under your enrollee tree place their product order, you can get up to 19%. So based on rank po ito, monthly product rebates. Ibig sabihin kung ikaw yan at ikaw po ay director, okay? At may mga direct kang bumibili ng products, may 5% ka. Okay, for example, sa lotion, magkano yung members price? 249. Pag yung mga direct mo bumibili, meron kang 5%. So, meron kang 12 pesos and 45 cents. Okay? Ngayon, kung kayo po ay senior director, meron ka ng kita sa second level. Ibig sabihin ng second level, ito po yung direct ng direct mo. Okay? So, may 3% ka dyan nakita. So, yung mga nasa second level mo, pag bumibili yan ng lotion, meron kang 7.47 dyan. Okay? Then, third level, executive director, 2%. So, that's 4 pesos and 98. Then kapag kayo po ay national director, fourth level, meron ka na, 2% na naman, 4 pesos and 98. Then kapag kayo po ay corporate director, another 2% hanggang fifth level mo, 4 pesos and 98 ulit. At corporate director and presidential director hanggang 10th level, 1% po yan. So that's 2 pesos and 49 cents. So di ba? Hindi na masama, no? Pwede na po yan. No selling, no quota. Okay? Just product purchases for personal use. Alright? So walang pilitan dito. Hindi nyo kailangan magbenta na magbenta. Ang kailangan nyo lang talaga mag-subscribe at mag-share ng Seacrest subscription. Okay? Alright, ngayon, Fast Start Commission. Di ba kanina nga po, may kita tayo sa Fast Start kung kayo po ay nakaka-refer ng or kayo po ay nakakakuha ng affiliation or affiliates ni Seacrest. Dito naman po kung kayo po ay may rank, so you can get unlimited weekly commission up to your 10th level based on your ranking and package. So ibig sabihin, kung ikaw po ay masipag at nagdidirect ka, so unang-una sa lahat, syempre, since director ka, may 30% ka sa bawat direct affiliates na ma-activate mo. So 750 ulit yan. Yung kanina lang po. Okay? So ibig sabihin dito, ladies and gentlemen, kung gusto mo mabawi ang puhunan mo, hanap ka lang ng 4. Okay? 4 lang, ROI ka na. That's it. Ngayon, yan 4 na yan, tulungan mo lang magkaroon sila ng 4 nila. Kasi sabihin mo sa kanila, pag nakakuha sila ng 4, magiging senior director na kayo. Okay? Senior director at ROI na kayo. Ngayon, kapag senior director ka na, may 10% ka ng kita sa second level mo. Ibig sabihin, sa direct ng direct mo, may kita ka na 249 pesos. So, ibig sabihin, kung yung 4 mo, naghanap din ng 4 nila, so that's 16, ang kita mo dyan ay 3,984 pesos. Okay? Alright, ngayon, since mapopromote ka na naman, pag ikaw po ay naging executive director, may 5% ka naman sa third level mo. So ibig sabihin kung yung 16 na yan, naghanap ng tiga-4 nila, meron kang 7,936 pesos sa level na yan. Kasi may 5% ka, that's 124 pesos each. Okay, ngayon na-promote ka na naman, syempre executive director hanggang 4th level po pala yan. So 5% ulit. Pero ang maganda dito, yung 64, naghanap din ng 4 nila. So again, 256 na po yan. Alright, so you'll be earning 31,744 pesos for that level. Okay, assuming, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm just telling you the feasibility kung mangyayari po ito, kung gagawin nyo po itong strategy na to. Alright, next, pag kayo po ay na-promote to National Director, 5% po yan hanggang 5th level na po ninyo. That's another 124. So assuming nag-duplicate yung 256, naghanap ng tiga-4 nila, 1,024 for that level. And i-multiply mo yan sa 124 pesos, that's 126,000 pesos na po. Diba? Sa 5th level mo, national director ka na. At kapag kayo po ay may 6th level na, that's another 5%. So kung yung 1,024 naghanap ng tiga-4 nila, aba, 500,000 na po yan. Okay, 500,000 na po yan. 507,000 na po kasi meron ka ng 4,096 na tao dyan. Di mo na kilala yan ha. Apat lang yung kakilala mo at sinabi mo lang sa kanila na maghanap kayo ng apat para ROI na kayo at maging senior director kayo. Hindi nyo na namamalayan yan talaga. Okay? Ngayon kapag kayo po ay na-promote to corporate or presidential director, 5% po yan from 7th to 10th level. And just imagine, pwede ka na kumita ng millions. Okay, dahil lang po sa weekly fast start na commission na ito. Okay, just by doing this very simple strategy. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-recruit. Ang kailangan mo lang, apat lang talaga. Okay? Alright, moving forward. Okay, so ito naman po yung monthly na commission natin. So tapos na tayo sa weekly. Monthly naman po. Okay, so monthly subscription commission. You earn 2.5% from monthly subscription payments of 498 pesos up to your 15th level based on rank. Yes, di ba naalala nyo kanina may subscription tayo, 498 pesos. May kita pa po tayo doon. Okay? At paano pinoposition ng system natin ang mga members natin? We have the automated positioning, ladies and gentlemen. Ibig sabihin, our system will automatically position your members by filling in the slot from left and then right. Okay? Ganun po ang positioning. So, may binary pa rin po tayo, may matrix po tayong sinusundan dito para alam po ng system kung paano umaakyat ang kita natin. So, for example, sa first level mo, ang first level, laging dalawa po yan. Left at right lang po yan. Okay? So, assuming, naghanap ka ng dalawa lang talaga yung nakuha mo. Okay? Pinaka mabagal na po yan. Pinaka mahirap na po yung dalawa. So, ang kita mo dyan is 24.90. Okay? Sa 498 pesos na babayaran nila monthly. Ngayon, yung dalawa na yan, sabihin mo lang na maghanap din kayo ng dalawa nyo para maging senior director kayo. Okay? So, sabihin na natin, assuming sa second week mo, yung dalawa, naghanap ng tigda dalawa. So, apat na sa second level mo. Ang kita mo na dyan, sa level na yan, ay 49 pesos and 80 cents. Now, sa third level or sa third week mo, yung apat naging 8 na. Okay, naghanap ng apat nila. So, 8 na sa third level mo. That's 99.60 for that level. And so on and so forth. So, ibig sabihin, yung dalawa na kinuha mo, nag-duplicate lang po yan. Naghanap lang sila ng tigda dalawa kada linggo. Hindi mo na kilala yan. At pwede ka kumita dito hanggang 25,000 pesos kung kayo po ay director. Okay, director ang position ninyo. Yan, hanggang 10th level ka lang. Pero since kumuha ka ng dalawa, so senior director ka. So ibig sabihin, kung isa-sum up mo lahat ng levels na yan, kasi i-add nyo pa yung lahat lahat ng levels na yan, pwede ka kumita up to 50,900 pesos. Okay? So, kung sisipagan nyo rin lang, okay, maghanap na kayo ng dalawa. Pwede na po yun, alright? Unlike sa traditional networking na kailangan mo ng pairing, di ba? Para kumita ka. Dito, ayan lang gagawin nyo. Dalawa lang po. Turuan nyo yung dalawa. Paano kumuha ng dalawa, and so on. Pwede din yung apat kanina. Okay, hindi nyo na kailangan mag-recruit. So, this is called the duplication of 2. Okay, pwede ka na kumita. Monthly na po ito. Alright, monthly, basta nakasubscribe ka lang. Okay? Then, kung kayo naman po ay masipag talaga at gusto mo mag-exceed sa expectation mo, aba, syempre, mas rewarded ka. Sabihin na natin maging executive director ka, pwede ka nang kumita up to 100,000 pesos dyan kasi may additional level ka. 50,000 ang pwede mong kitain sa next level mo eh. Then, pwede ding national director, 101,000, so approximately 200K nang kikitain mo monthly dyan. Then, corporate director is 203,000 pesos. So, monthly ang kita mo is around 400,000 pesos. And then, the presidential director is 407,000 for the additional level. Approximately, you can earn up to 814,000 pesos per month. At anong kailangan mong gawin dito? Duplication of 3. Yung kanina lang po na tinuro ko kung paano po kayo ma-promote. Ganun lang po kasimple. Okay? Alright. So, moving forward, ito naman po is the monthly matching commission. So ladies and gentlemen, ito ma-excite pa po kayo dito kasi maliban sa monthly subscription, kung kayo po ay meron mga direct po, may kita ka pa dyan na 50% commission every end of the month from your direct affiliates monthly subscription commission. So ibig sabihin, kung ikaw po ay nakakuha ng dalawa, okay, again, yung dalawa na naman, meron kang first direct, meron kang second direct. Yung first direct mo, kumita ng 50,000 pesos for the month from her monthly subscription. May 50% nakita ka dyan, which is 25,000 pesos for that month. At yung second direct mo, kung kumita po yan ng 100,000 pesos for the month from his monthly subscription, 50% sa'yo ulit. That's 50,000 pesos for that month. So ladies and gents, this is your monthly bonus on top of your own monthly subscription bonus for sharing Seacrest. All you need to do is just to keep your subscription active so you can enjoy this bonus. Okay? So assuming kung kayo po talaga yung magsisipag at meron kang 10 direct affiliates dito kay Seacrest, edi sulit na sulit po talaga yung sipag ninyo. Kasi for example, kumita sila lahat ng tig 20,000 pesos per month sa monthly subscription nila, 50% po nun sa'yo. So let's say lahat sila, 20,000 per month, may tigta 10,000 ka. So 10,000 times 10, that's another 100,000 pesos on top of your own subscription bonus. So you can get your early retirement income here kay Seacrest kung sisipagan nyo na. Okay? Okay, so ngayon, ito po ang monthly matching generation bonus natin. So hindi pa tayo nagtapos, no? Grabe, sobrang mapagbigay talaga ni Seacrest sa commission. At ito po, meron po tayong monthly matching generation bonus wherein you can get up to 66% commission every end of the month from your direct affiliates up to your 5th generation members monthly subscription commission depending on your rank. Kasi di ba naalala nyo may rank tayo kanina? Okay, so hindi pa po tayo nagtatapos dito. At actually ito po, another bonus na ma-enjoy ninyo. So maliban sa 50% matching bonus, kapag kayo po ay senior director, if you have a rank, let's say executive director, and kayo po ay may 10 direct. So kung yung 10 direct na yan, naganap ng mga direct nila, kasi syempre kikita na malaki. Kikita, kung hindi, kung tamad yan, syempre hindi na makikita na malaki yan. So kapag sila po ay nag-direct, meron kang 5% matching bonus on your second level affiliates. So ladies and gentlemen, assuming kung yung mga nasa second level affiliates mo ay kumikita ng 200,000 pesos overall for that month, meron kang 5% dyan. So 10,000 pesos. Sa'yo po yan. Okay? Ngayon, kung kayo po ay national director naman, hanggang third level, meron kang 5% matching bonus. So assuming na kumita yung level na yan overall ng 400,000 pesos for the monthly subscription income, meron kang 5%, 20,000 pesos. Okay? Then kapag kayo po ay corporate director, sa fourth level mo, meron ka na naman matching bonus na 3%. And let's say overall kumita yung level na yan ng 800,000 pesos sa monthly subscription nila, meron kang 24,000 pesos. And lastly, the presidential director, hanggang 5th level affiliates mo yan. 5th level or 5th generation affiliates na yan. 3% matching bonus. At sabihin na natin, yung level na yan, kumita sila overall ng 1.6 million pesos. 3% sa'yo. Okay, so this is on top of your own monthly matching bonus. Grabe no, napaka-generous ni Seacrest. Kaya ito po, again, feasibility po ito. Ito po yung pwede nyong kitain pag may grupo na po kayong malaki. Okay? So, ito po yung last na kitaan ni Seacrest, which is the company sales share. Monthly, ang mga presidential directors ay makakatanggap ng 2% of the entire company's gross income. Pero paghahati-hatian po yan. So for example, si Seacrest po ay kumita ng 15 million pesos for the month. Ano ang 2% niyan? 300,000 pesos. At meron, sabihin na natin, assuming meron 5 presidential directors, paghahati-hatian po nila yan. So that's another 60,000 pesos. This is another on top of the monthly matrix, matching bonus, and other monthly bonuses na ibibigay ni Seacrest sa inyo. Kaya go for presidential director. Okay? Alright. So ngayon, bakit nga ba ako sasali kay Seacrest? Okay? Para makatulong ako sa inyong makapag-decide. Okay? Una-una sa lahat, online. Lahat ng kailangan yung gawin dito, it's online. Okay? Training natin online, yung dashboard natin, yung link natin. So, kumpleto po yan online. Lahat na lang kailangan ninyo gawin dyan. Okay? Napaka-convenient na po. And then, pioneering stage. Guys, ang hirap maghanap ng company na legit, na magandang product, may magandang kitaan, na nasa pioneering stage pa lang. So, take note, May 2024, nag-start si Seacrest. So, kumusta ka naman kung uumpisa mo na siya ngayon? Okay? Then, Seacrest can give you potentially passive income for life. Basta nakasubscribe ka lang. Okay? Kailangan mo lang siyang trabahuin ngayon kasi sayang din yung pagiging pioneer mo kung tutulugan mo lang siya. And of course, kapag ikaw po ay na kay Seacrest na, dalawa lang ang pwede mo mapuntahan. It's either mapunta ka sa 97% nakikita o sa 3% na yayaman. So ikaw na po magde-decide kung saan mo gusto mapunta dyan. Basta ang kailangan mo lang gawin is to be part of Seacrest. You can be part of Team Motivators. All you need to do is to start your pre-enrollment now. Just get the invite link of the person who shared this presentation to you. And lagi ko nga po sinasabi, you will never know if you won't even try. So again, this is Coach Team. Thank you for watching. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video presentations.